Hello and welcome to Truck Nation channel. In this video, we will be discussing 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Today, Toyota released another teaser for the upcoming 2024 Tacoma as part of its lengthy teaser campaign. Although Toyota has not disclosed the exact release date of the mid-size pickup, the teaser confirmed that the new Tacoma will continue to offer a manual transmission for enthusiasts. The teaser image only showed the 3 pedals in the footwell of the 2024 Tacoma, and Toyota did not reveal many details, except that the manual transmission will have 6 forward gears. We anticipate that the manual gearbox will be an updated version of the 6-speed stick shift that the outgoing Tacoma currently has, rather than a brand new unit. Nonetheless, Toyota's commitment to preserving the manual transmission is commendable. The Tacoma is expected to debut this summer, and Toyota has already provided several hints of what we can expect. In April, Toyota teased a hardcore off-road TRD Pro model's tailgate, which featured an iForce Max badge, indicating that the Tacoma may receive a hybrid powertrain like its larger sibling, the Tundra. Toyota also unveiled a new trim for the Tacoma called the Trailhunter, which it first hinted at with a Tundra concept at the 2022 SEMA show. The Tacoma Trailhunter is expected to focus on overlanding and will feature an ARB rear bumper and a large frame-mounted tow hook, as shown in the teaser image. Most recently, Toyota teased the TRD Pro's rear wheel, revealing that it will feature rear disc brakes for the first time. The rugged suspension of the TRD Pro will include a Fox QS3 coil-over and retain the signature TRD Pro red spring. More information will be disclosed with the full reveal in the coming months. Thanks for tuning in to our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.